Algebra 1 EOC practice test number 22. Simplify the expression. Write your answer in the space provided on the answer document. All right, so we can see that we are adding here. Remember, if you subtract, you would have to distribute the negative before you added or combine like terms. The fact that we're adding, all we have to do is combine like terms. That means my x to the fourth will be combined with my x to the fourth. So let's write this in vertical, as a vertical one. So we're going to write x cubed. All right, there's no x squared, so I'm going to skip that spot. And then if I want to bring this down, I'm going to do negative 6x to the fourth. And then there's no cubed, but there is a squared, 8x squared plus 5x, and then minus 3. All right, so if I want to add these two together, I could simply just look at them here and try to combine like terms, which is fine. I do that all the time. But if you want to line them up so you can see which ones go together, it may be a little bit easier for some of you guys. So we've got 3 minus 6. So when I add these together, I get negative 3x to the fourth. Remember, this just comes along when I'm adding or subtracting. My variable and exponent do not change. When I multiply, it does, but we are adding these together, so we just are combining like terms. There's only one x cubed, so I'll bring it down. There's only one x squared, so I'll bring it down. And then I've got negative 7 plus 5, so that's negative 2x. 15 minus 3 is plus 12. All right, so this would be the answer we would write in the space provided. All right, if you wanted to use the other method where you just combine like terms, you're going to have 3x to the fourth plus negative 6x to the fourth. So it's going to be your negative 3x to the fourth. So I can get rid of those. And then I have an x cubed. I do not have an x cubed, so I just bring my x cubed down. I have an x squared, but not an x squared here, so I also bring my x squared down. And I have negative 7 plus 5, which is negative 2x. And I have 15 plus negative 3, which is plus 12. So you can see that you're going to get the same answer, whether you do it vertically or horizontally. So you get to choose which way you do it. I would do whatever you feel the most comfortable with, getting the correct solution. All right, you would have to write that answer in the space provided, and you would want to make sure that your variables, exponents, and everything are clear and easy to read so that you get credit for that.